Fried rice with maling, topped with sunny side up egg, easy Java rice recipe you'll love. Hi everyone, welcome back to Orly TV. Today, I'm going to share a simple yet comforting meals that's very close to my heart. Fried rice with maling topped with a sunny side up egg. It may look simple, but once you taste it, you'll realize how much flavor and love can come from a few basic ingredients. So stay with me until the end. You might just find your next favorite meal. You know, sometimes the most delicious dishes are the simplest ones. I remember when I first learned how to make fried rice, it was during days when we didn't have much, but we made the most of what we had. Leftover rice, a bit of garlic, and whatever meat or canned goods we could find. That was already a complete meal. That's the beauty of Filipino cooking. We can turn simple ingredients into something special. And today, I want to bring back the same spirit using maling and a sunny side up egg to make a meal that's simple, affordable, and truly satisfying. Cooking the fried rice, Java rice style. Let's start cooking. First, prepare a large pan and turn the heat to low. Add a small amount of oil and a bit of butter. That's the secret to that rich, savory flavor. The oil also helps prevent the butter from burning too quickly. Once the butter melts, add the chopped garlic. Let it sizzle for around 3 seconds, just enough for that fragrant aroma to come out. Don't let it brown too much. We want a light golden garlic flavor. Now, sprinkle a pinch of salt and a bit of seasoning powder. Next, add a small amount of turmeric powder. This gives your rice that beautiful golden color and is good for your health too. Turmeric adds a mild earthy taste and makes the dish look extra appetizing. Now, it's time to add your cooked rice. I'm using a day-old rice because it's firmer and won't get mushy. Mix it well so the turmeric blends evenly and every grain turns golden. Break apart any clumps and keep stirring gently. The key is to cook it patiently over low heat so the rice absorbs all the flavor. Now taste it. Adjust with a little more salt or seasoning if you like. Once it's just right, scoop some rice into a small bowl to mold it. Flip it onto your plate and gently lift the bowl. It's an easy way to make your presentation look professional. Repeat with the rest of the rice. Now we're ready for the next part, frying the maling. Frying the maling. Maling might be a simple canned meat, but when fried the right way, it becomes so tasty. In a small pan, pour a moderate amount of oil and keep the heat low. Carefully place each slice of maling one by one. Let it cook slowly for a few minutes. You'll notice the edges turning slightly crispy and golden brown. That's when it's perfect. Flip each piece gently to cook the other side evenly. Don't rush this part. Take your time. The goal is to get the perfect balance, crispy outside, soft and juicy inside. Once done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. And now, we move on to the sunny side up eggs. Cooking the sunny side up eggs. Now it's time for my favorite part, the eggs. Crack one egg gently into the pan. Cook it on low heat until the egg white sets but the yolk stays soft and shiny. That's what makes a perfect sunny side up. You can sprinkle just a tiny bit of salt if you like. When it's ready, carefully remove it from the pan and repeat the same for the rest. The bright yellow yolk will look beautiful on top of the golden fried rice. Now comes the best part, putting everything together. Place your molded fried rice on the plate. Add 1 or 3 slices of crispy maling at the side and gently lay your sunny side up egg above it. Look at that color, the aroma, the simplicity of it all. You don't need fancy ingredients to create something that looks and tastes this good. Sometimes, the best dishes are the ones that bring back memories, like waking up early in the morning, Hearing the sound of garlic sizzling in the and smelling that buttery fried rice that makes everyone hungry instantly. This is the kind of meal that makes you smile even before taking a bite. It's simple, comforting, and full of flavor. Perfect for busy mornings or easy lunches. And there have it, my fried rice with maling topped with sunny side up eggs. Golden, crispy, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Orly TV, and tap the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload new cooking videos. This has been Orly. See you again next time. And always remember, cooking from the heart makes every dish special. Happy cooking!